For you. Hey Nicole, yeah, I just set up the live stream on YouTube. No tapering from the Fed. I'm not surprised by that, but yeah, it seems like no tapering from the Fed. My top buys, Ethereum and Litecoin, bought the dip. Well, let me say this: I napped during the dip and then didn't set any limit orders. I'm kicking myself. So, got to do a live with parabolic signals. I need to go back to doing 2 lives a day. I'm not willing to do it while I'm on YouTube, but on if I'm just on TikTok, I'll do it. Yeah. If you knew, I'm a COVID long hauler. I'm a 32 Oh my goodness, I didn't know that, Nicole. That's crazy. Hello, Umar. Stonks bra. I think the bottom's in. Yeah. Stack ETH and Litecoin. I'm all in officially. All right. Yeah, I'm almost all in. No more dips. I mean, there'll be plenty of dips along the way. High level of laugh. What's your buy price from here on for Bitcoin? I don't know. I'm just regularly. I'm pretty much all in on Bitcoin, and I have like $2,000 left to put in. So, those of you on TikTok, I'm not. I believe we've seen the bottom. I'm not going to be able to keep up with the chat. There's already 70 plus people in here. I've been live for 2 minutes, but I am live on YouTube. Hop on over to YouTube. I'll gladly answer your questions there. What's up, Corey? Good afternoon, Albert. Hope all is well. Everyone have a good day. Is the bottom in? I think 39.6 is the bottom. Am I buying a lot of DOT? I have a fair amount of DOT. I'm sticking with what I have. Is Ethereum going to 2,400? In my opinion, no. It could. Listen, there are some people who disagree with me on that. They think it's going to 2,400. They also think Bitcoin's going to $250,000 this year. So, in my opinion, we're not going to 2,400 for Ethereum. Is it going up now? I mean, it's at 43,000. It got down to 39,600 yesterday. Feds decided to start tapering mid-2022. I didn't hear that. But whatever. We'll see. I mean, they could always change their mind. Stocks going up when to buy Bitcoin and ETH regularly. Entry point for DOT. Under $30, get in. Ave thoughts, bullish in general, 4 figures easily. Vince, thank you. Yeah, I said 2,700 or so for ETH. It went down to 2,680, something like that. Litecoin to the moon from here. We could have another dip, but I'm very bullish on Litecoin. Good morning, Everardo. Algo thoughts, $7. I like Algo. If Bitcoin does go to 250K, what about ETH? I think Bitcoin is going to 200K, but yeah, if Bitcoin goes to 250K, I would expect about 20K for ETH. Is USDT going to $1? USDT has been consolidating for a while. Maybe it's due to break out. That's a joke. Vet predictions $1. When is the Fed tapering bond purchases? Somebody just commented mid 2022. We'll see. Thank you, Roshan. How high can Matic go by the end of the year? Early next year, $8 or so. Am I thinking Litecoin 10x? I think 1,500 for Litecoin. So that's close to a 10x. Yeah, $8 for Matic. Hey, E. Davidson, what's up? Yeah, today's looking better. Would it be a good idea to stake BUSD now or wait for the bear market? From now on, that's a good question. From now on, any profits that I take, I'm taking into stable coins. That's it. I'm not putting it into other cryptos. So why are maxis so angry? I don't know. I'm not a maxi if you're asking about me. So it's 39K the bottom. I think it's the bottom. There are smart people, smarter people than me who disagree with me. So DAG thoughts, still don't know about DAG. Have you checked out Radix? No, sorry. I know. Best place to purchase Vet Voyager. Use my referral code ALE749 and get $25 of free Bitcoin and skip the waiting list. They plan on tapering mid-2022. Okay, we'll see. I thought we were going to stop completely by mid-2022. Oh, no, I don't know. There's no way. There's no way they're going to stop completely. If they do, they're going to get a lot of pressure from the president, from Congress. So do I like FTM, EGLD, HBAR, and Quant? I like HBAR better than FTM. I like Elrond. I love Quant. I love HBAR. So I think they're going to slow down bond purchases in November. Okay. Can you send me some Bitcoin, please? No. Amp worth long hold. I'm selling it all at the end. So expect another Doge pump with the Robinhood wallet launches or any other coin on Robinhood. Possibly. I will encourage people at that time. Robinhood is okay for crypto. So maybe people will get into Robinhood more and buy more Doge. ADA end of the year, $8. Have I checked out VRA? I don't follow the price all that much, but I have checked it out. I like it. I like Theta more. So where's Quan at right now? Please don't spam, Ken. Would it be a good idea to buy a whole Ethereum right now? Yeah, if you can, definitely. Quant could be 1,000. Yeah, I agree with that. Are we good to buy now or wait more? You know, I could see there being a mini dip. Honestly, I hate that question. No offense, I hate that question. It just, like, I die a little bit inside whenever somebody asks me that question. But, you know, we got up to 44,000 pretty quickly. I could see there being a little bit of a dip. So, do I think crap coins are going to explode again? No. Well, I'm nervous about it because I do have I have a small bag of crap coins. So it may not be, if it does, it may not be the same ones. And so Safe Moon, Shiba Inu, those might be dead. I got to check out the volume on Shiba Inu. H-bar to sell at peak or long term, I would say sell it or hold long term for H-bar. Is tapering coming? Not based on their meeting today. So let's see. Radix has partnered with Aave, Yield Finance, and Link, and others. Excellent. Good. Don't have any. If you think ADA will be $8 by end of the year, what do you think it will reach in January? I think ADA is going to peak. I think ADA is going to be the very first crypto that peaks. Bitcoin was not the first crypto that peaked in 2017. It was Litecoin. Somebody was arrested for money laundering. Okay. Litecoin was the first one that peaked in 2023. Or 2017. All right, volume's 332 million. That's not as bad as I thought it was for Shiba Inu. So maybe Shiba Inu's not completely dead. Do you see some altcoins crashing before Bitcoin peaks? Well, I wouldn't call it a crash, but I could see ADA peaking first. I could see it being the very first one that peaks. Or maybe Solana. Would you do any buying or wait a bit? There's that question. If I'm asked that question, like oh man, I want to die. That question makes me want to die. I swear, like I'm going to be on my deathbed 30 years from now, and somebody's going to come up to me and ask me, hey, before you go, should I buy now or wait for the dip? And it's like, what you want to do is if you lose your money, you'll blame me for losing money because you're too afraid to take a risk. No offense to you. It's only because we trust. Oh, thank you, Jigga. Yeah. But the honest answer to that is like, wait a little bit. So by Jason, ladder in DCA, but you know, I could see there being a little bit. Actually, I don't know what to say. Just get in. You've got to get in a little bit. I blame Pablo for losing money. No risks, no profit. Yeah. Should I buy now? So buy or not? You guys are. That's funny. If every time I get that question, like 5 minutes are taken off my life, I think that's what's happening. So, thoughts on VRA? Bullish. XRP a goodbye? Yes. Trade quant profits for Ethereum. If you don't own any, yeah, sure. Let's see. Do you see some? I answered that. Was it going so fast? Did not know if you've seen it. Okay. Magic Burrito 8-Ball is Bitcoin going up or down today? It peaked at 44,000. I don't think it'll be at 44,000 again today, but I still think. All right, we have 8 days left in the month, and my prediction for the end of the month. Where's my son Pablo? My prediction for the end of the month was $45,000. I think it's going to be within 1,000 or two of $45,000, below or above. I'm just not expecting much for the rest of the month, and maybe not the first week of October as well. I have Bitcoin, ETH, Polygon. Anything wrong with holding long term? No, especially Bitcoin and ETH. But yeah, I think you'll be fine. What do you think the NFT market outlook is the rest of the year? I could see one more big run up. You know, there's going to be some euphoria somewhere. Look for euphoria, and that's going to be the end. And it may not be with Bitcoin. Look for euphoria. Like in May, it was with the crap coins, you know. With in November, December, it may be with something else. Remember Nano's peak? I don't. I heard Robinhood's in the process of adding wallets to the platform. Big move for Robinhood. I agree. Yeah. You said end of the month will be flat. Yeah, I think the rest of the month we might go up 1,000 or two, but nothing crazy. So FTM, Matic, XRP, HBAR, VET, TRX. What's your favorite? HBAR. And we'll continue to pump more in 6 months. Oh, but not HBAR for that. Maybe VeChain. So you think Litecoin will peak before Bitcoin? No. Litecoin was the number 3 coin by market cap in 2017. And now Cardano, last I checked, was the number 3 coin in market cap in 2021. So I think it's going to be Cardano. XRP to hold. XRP to hold on till after case, or what do you think? Yeah, please don't die. Thank you, Robbie. How do you know the peak wasn't in April, May, and it's bearish for the next 4 years or so? Vince, that's just my judgment. You know, in February, I made a video on YouTube saying that it looked like we were going to have a double top, and that at the very bottom of the double top, or at the very bottom after the first peak, everyone was going to be saying bear market, we're going lower, and that's exactly what happened. And then I called the bottom. So it seems clear to me that we're matching 2017 and 2013 in many ways. So, Dan, I'm finally caught up with all your comments, man. You're killing me. Do you think there will be a dip coming in this month? I think the worst is behind us because Bitcoin supply shock hasn't happened yet. Yeah, am I a BNB holder? If so, will you dump all? I am a BNB holder. I will not be selling all of it. So what do you consider long-term? For my long-term holds, is at least till the next bull run, 2025 or 2026. Do you think Pi will become big? No. Cadena, don't know enough. Small cap coins that I'm eyeing. I'm more of a top 50 guy, sorry. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube right now. I cannot keep up with the TikTok comments. But I can on YouTube, so even though I'm doing a poor job on YouTube as it is anyway. I bought 16K in Mara call options that expire October 15th. Hopefully we run before then. Oh man, Ryan, if I were you, I would have done like October 29th or something. But I hope it goes well for you. Data Dash saying bull market super cycle until November 22. Any thoughts? Joseph, that would be great, but we are so aligned right now. We're so much aligned with 2017 and 2013. July, bullish hammer. August was a good month. September's flat. I just expect October, November, and December of this year to be similar to 2017 and 2013. So Cadena's the one, okay. Feel like HBAR will jump back up to 50 again? Yeah, I think in October it will. Is it possible that the bear market could only last a year? I don't know. We'll see about Ethereum. Ethereum might be driving things coming up with EIP 3675. So Matic prediction, $8. Jay, do you have any thoughts on Ergo? Sorry, I don't. What to buy right now? Litecoin and Ethereum. What time? Best time to buy? Yesterday. You know, my strategy was to buy if Bitcoin got under $40,000 and to just go all in. And you missed that, I'm assuming. So now it's like just get in. Just get in a little bit. Why are there so many fake accounts about me? That's the way it is. That I block like 10 to 12 people a day who pretend to be me. I hate it. It's unfortunate. Stay away. Make sure that I will never text you and invite you to WhatsApp. So did the Fed announcement have any effect on predictions? Nope. That's not Duncan. Yeah, Sambo, I'm drinking a La Croix. So thoughts on Luna's upgrade to Columbus 5 on 930? I haven't looked into it. You know the order of what will peak like first 5? No. I mean, Cardano, I could see Cardano and Solana peaking before Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin will peak, and then Ethereum, and then, major alts, minor alts, and then we're done. QSP, I don't know anything about QSP. What percentage do you hold through the bear market run? About 50% maybe. Maybe a little less than that. Alchemy Pay, don't know enough, sorry. He has the expanding cycle theory going on. Okay, what's your outlook on Harmony 1? Higher. $1 seems a little high, but we'll see. Higher for sure. So Cardano, $8 a cycle. Crow to $1. I don't think Crow to $1, maybe like 50 cents. What's your strategy with quant right now? Still holding? Yeah, still holding. I am not anywhere near selling any of my quant. I forgot what to see where quant was. Oh, shoot. I just did something. Where's quant? Is it still 200s? 300, 302. That's good. So year-end price phantom, I don't know, higher. Crow and ICP in October. For crypto, Gravitoken, I don't know anything about Gravitoken. For crypto, all cryptos, in my opinion, all top 50, top 100 will all have good months in October. So VeChain $1. Yes, VXV, I love VXV. I'm pretty new to VXV and I'm pretty new to AMP. Bullish on both. $1 for AMP, 100 for VXV. So good day, Abdo. Let's see, Bitcoin price prediction Q3 2022. Oh man, I don't know, like 100,000. XRP goodbye today? Sure, yeah. XRP price prediction end of the year, $8 to $10 by January of 2022 or so. Where do you see Cardano going? $8 or so. You should get in a multi-back. I need to look into it, but I'm pretty much all in right now, except for like $2,000. So year-end price of Phantom higher. Sorry. What's the easiest 10x end of year you see besides Litecoin? Probably something that's under 10 cents right now. I think a lot of cryptos are going to be like have that dollar target and they'll get much higher because people will see it and be like, ooh, I could buy 1,000 VeChain, something like that. Any thoughts on Doge? I don't think Doge is dead. I saw a comment that Doge is dead. I don't think it's quite dead. I think it will rise. Like, let's say I'm right. Just entertain me for a second and say that I'm right, that Bitcoin's going to $200,000. Then Doge should get to $1. So, at least. Price target 1,000 for BNB, realistic in the next bull run. Yes, Andrew, I very much think so. HBAR December, I'm going to give you a January prediction, $2. Vet or Tron? Vet. I hate Tron. Just bought one quant today. I know it's not much, but all right. Excellent, Abigail. Where to buy VXV? You can get on Coin Metro or MetaMask. Thoughts on Voyager app? That's my favorite one, Lou Julian. Dot $200 a cycle. Voyager, use my referral code ALE749. ALE749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin and you'll skip the waiting list. Good vibes says Doge isn't getting to $1. If Bitcoin goes to $200,000, Doge will go to $1. If not, then sure, you might be right. Can Theta hit $20 a cycle? Yeah, easy. Elrond outperformed Litecoin? Maybe. The thing that I don't know much about their fundamentals, but Elrond wants you to make money by owning Elrond. So, yes. How would you invest $5,000 at the moment? 35% Ethereum, 25% Bitcoin. I'd get some Litecoin for sure, and then spread the rest out among alts. Chainlink, Solana, HBAR, Theta, Maker, Matic, et cetera, et cetera. XRP for sure. Are we going still under the 40K? No more dips? I don't think we're going under 40K. CVO Crypto, my friend on this platform, does think we're going under 40K. So how confident you are regarding Litecoin to $1,500? I'm basing it off of Bitcoin, T-Bane. I think Litecoin is going to outperform Bitcoin pretty heavily on this way up. So if Bitcoin goes to $200,000, I would say 100% Litecoin is going to $1,500. Still going under 40K, no more dips. So yeah, answered that. Afternoon, Jimmy. Could the recent NFT craziness have been the rational for you watch for? Jill, I don't think so. I mean, how many people on my live streams? All right, during Meme Coin Mania in May, there were 1,000 people on my live stream. At the highest I've gotten this fall was 300 people. There's so many, and everyone was asking me about random meme coins. It was awful. It was an awful, awful experience. Bitcoin Cash is trash. So I don't think so. I've thought about that though, Jill, but I don't think so. What's the best advice for investing in a bear market? Wait a year and then invest in Bitcoin, and then wait a little bit longer and invest in Ethereum, and wait a little bit longer than that and invest in alts. Do you have a Twitch? I don't. Well, I do, but I don't use it. When do you think is the next bull run after the next halving in 2024? Are expecting another pullback before October? Not a big one. Nope. Lincoln AVAX this cycle. Link to 100 AVAX. I don't know. Tangy, nothing. Quant stamp price prediction. I don't have one higher. What's up? You think there will be another? Oh man, I'll give you a past slice of butter. I don't think a big one. I have little expenses for the foreseeable future. Started working full time 6 months ago. How much money do you think I should save, and how much do you think I should invest in crypto? At this point, not a ton. Like 20% of what you're wanting to invest. Thank you, Neutral. What's up, man? I'm assuming you're a man. I don't think I've ever asked that. Polygon, $8 or so. Quant peak price prediction this bull run. I don't do quant peaks. Higher quant is unpredictable. Am I a supporter of VXV? Yes. Have I looked at FET? Nope. I mean, a little bit, but not a ton. 1 Bitcoin or 10 ETH? 10 ETH. Well, no. 1 Bitcoin is worth much more than 10 ETH. So 1 Bitcoin. But then I'd sell half of that and buy some ETH. Opinion about Litecoin, just a small brief, please. It's going to outperform Bitcoin 2 to 4x in my opinion. Price prediction for Ethereum around January 2021, $15,000. Will ETH reach 8K by the end of October? No, that's too high. When do you think the bear market may start? I think after everything peaks, we'll know pretty quickly that it's the bear market. So what advice for $2,000? Mostly in Ethereum. Spread some out on alts, but mostly in Ethereum. Heard VXV is a scam. I haven't heard that. Huh. $8. All right, you're a man, Neutral. $8 from Matic. Should I put my money into staking stable coins during the bear market? That's my plan. And listen, you guys are going to think I'm crazy. I'm going to buy stocks. And you know what? I mean, here's the deal. Sentiment right now is so bearish with stocks. That's not what happens when it peaks. I know everyone is saying stock market crash is imminent, and it might crash, or it might have like a 10 to 20% dip, and I will buy the tar out of that dip. So selling price for Litecoin, 1,500 or over 1,000. Do I know much about IOTA? Yeah, I like it. Internet of Things. I think IOTA might have a big spike. So be pro gambling on the blockchain. Sure, makes sense. Good morning, Evil D. I just don't have any price prediction or anything like that. Amp Rocket, yep. How many ETH do I need to retire in 10 years or less? Let me think. 10 years from now, 4 years from now, I think that ETH might get to 6 figures. So 10 years from now, who knows? I mean, I don't want to say ETH will be $1 million in 10 years. That seems a little aggressive. But you do the math. Do you think how many millions of dollars do you need to retire? So do you stake? Yes, I stake a lot of Cake, and I stake Binance. I hold Ethereum, and on BlockFi, I hold some cryptos on BlockFi. I'm looking to transfer out of BlockFi. They keep lowering their rates. XRP prediction $8 to $10 this cycle. HBAR January $2. Algo price $7. Why stablecoins instead of fiat in bear market? Because of staking. 90% crash after peak. For many cryptos will crash 90% after they peak. Bitcoin will not crash 90%. It never has. Ethereum will absolutely not crash 90%. Cardano will not crash 90%. Solana will not crash 90%. 70% of Cardano owned is staking right now. 70% of Solana owned is staking right now. It just depends. VeChain, I think, will crash 90%. Dogecoin will crash big time after the peak. What's up, Josh? Thank you. I am live on YouTube, by the way, for those of you on TikTok. I cannot keep up with the chat on TikTok, but I can on YouTube. So, yeah. ETH 2025 prediction between 50,000 and 100,000. What stocks do you tend to go for? I'm going to keep it simple. Dow Jones stocks, Apple, whatever else. I have some GameStop and AMC. I made like $50,000 on GameStop earlier this year. I will option the hell out of the stock market crash. Yeah. When things peak, or when I think they're going to peak, I'm buying puts in Riot blockchain. So is Bitcoin dead? No. Cardano $1,000 2025? No, absolutely not. Jose, I'll give you a pass on that one. Cardano's market cap would be enormous at $1,000. Move from BlockFi to Celsius. Can you become a millionaire in crypto? Of course. When do you think we'll see the peak at the end of this run? Winter, December, January, something like that. I wasn't shaking my head because of that question. So stock valuation is way too high right now. Stock market drops 30%, then stocks look attractive. Sure, I'm just not going to wait because we could see a 30% drop another 5 years from now. Missed that Bitcoin dip yesterday at 39.6. Me too. I was taking a nap. I woke up and it was at 41,000. I was like crying. Where is Cardano being staked? I don't know. I don't stake mine. H-bar end of December. No, January, $2. Will XRP crash big? Probably not, because XRP has been suppressed big time by the SEC suit. I only own 2 ETH. It suddenly doesn't feel like enough. Yeah. Definitely keep adding to your ETH. What do you think about lagging altcoins like Bitcoin Cash, EOS, XRP, Zchain, or Zcash, and Dash? I don't think much about them, honestly. None of those, except for XRP. I don't know much about Zcash and Dash. Bitcoin Cash is trash. EOS might not even reach its 2018 peak. Where do you buy stocks? Webull probably is going to be my number one go-to. Alchemy, don't know enough. You got another mid-cap coin for me like Quant, VXV. Or Zilliqa would be a good one too. Will ETH or Bitcoin ever be replaced? Maybe by something that doesn't exist right now. But I don't think Bitcoin will be replaced. ETH is more vulnerable to being replaced. It has competitors. Solana is superior to ETH in many ways, but ETH has calcified in many ways. So Constellation, don't know enough. Would you hold Crow through the bear market? I wouldn't, E. Davidson. Link and AVAX price. Oh, XLM $2 to $3 or so. Link and AVAX. Link to 100. AVAX. I don't have one, but higher. So still bullish on Solana. Yeah. I mean, I could see most other cryptos outperforming Solana from the way up. It's killing it. It's up 5x in 2 months, 3 months, 2 months. $8 to $8 or $10 in January. $8. H-bar prediction, and I answered that. What do you think about AMC stock? I don't know. I'm just going to keep holding it. So, is this the bottom? I made a video at TikTok yesterday saying that it was the bottom, that yesterday was the bottom, in my opinion. IMHO. 15 ETH or 1 Bitcoin. 15 ETH is worth more than 1 Bitcoin. I'm going to say 15 ETH. So XRP can continue up even if lawsuit continues to next year. Not necessarily, Jerry, because it does go up and down with the rest of the market. But I think once that lawsuit is over, that we'll see a pump. Bitcoin 100K, I think so. I have not updated my Solana prediction. Sorry, Nessa. Maybe $600 or so. With the news, you think we'll go bullish now on crypto, or we'll see another pullback? Are you asking because you want to know if you should buy now or wait for a dip? That's a joke. Double tap that screen, y'all. I don't know why I said it like that. I think the worst is behind us. That's all I'll say. Do you have thoughts on Jerome Powell's speech today? I haven't listened to it. Thank you. Thank you for double tapping that screen. But it seems like they're not going to... I mean, Gravy train is still going. If it wasn't, everything would have crashed. So, Dag don't know enough. Biggest passion in life, raising my kids to love God, hate their sin, and to be good parents. XLM $2 to $3. Just started learning about Quant, great sounding project that can be big if it pops off. Yeah, awesome. VChain to $1. Yes, VChain is good. Thank you, Lure Productions. Based, you Mayad Chief. Crypto coin worth holding, Bitcoin and Ethereum. But my long-term holds are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. Opinion prediction about AMP. I like AMP a lot. I think it's going to $1. So sorry, Alex. Think I wrote that wrong. One Bitcoin or the same value in ETH. I would still say the same value in ETH. Yeah. Vex Sun. I know. I should make a background. It's like, but I want people to see that I'm live on YouTube and hop on my YouTube. My heritage. My mom is Portuguese. She was born in Portugal. My father's Cape Verdean. He was the first in his family born in the United States. So, would you cash out stocks and move all into crypto? I am 90% in crypto right now. Oh, if you're asking for yourself, not right now. No. All right, Paulo, Portuguese, falas português. Am I unstaking stuff in anticipation of exit? Yeah, at the end, I will unstake all of my cake. You know, I have like $70,000 worth of cake. I'm unstaking all of it. So at what price do you see Theta? $50 or so. How did you start in crypto? How did you hear about it? 2013 was when I first bought my first crypto, but I heard about it in 2011 or so. Around when Bitcoin was $1, that's when I first heard about it. And I just didn't understand. German man here. Should we buy right now, even though it's all green? Del Kessie. What's up, Del Kessie? You should buy. Yeah. Not a ton. But yeah, I got really into Austrian economics. And it was like Bitcoin made sense to me. I just didn't think it would become what it is now, you know? What do you think about taking a loan against 401k and putting it into crypto? Not right now, E. Davidson. I wouldn't do it now. A year ago. Do your kids own any crypto? Yeah, they own in total like $1,200 worth of crypto. Best 5-year hold right now, Ethereum. Where can I get VXV on? What can I get VXV on? You can get on Coin Metro or MetaMask. Do you think Bitcoin will dip more? A little bit, not a ton. Hola, tudo bem, Tajboa. I don't know what. Listen, I'm not fluent or anywhere close to fluent in Portuguese. So, do you think Bitcoin will dip to 38K? I don't think so. Are we going to a bull run because I bought kind of high? Yeah, I think we are. Polkadot to $200. Have I looked into Cello? Not really. Nope. Should I get rid of Uphold? I don't think so. No. Anyone use Coin Metro? I don't. I have not listened to the minutes or read the minutes for the FOMC. FMO, my goodness. What do you think ETH's price will become soon? I think we'll see a new all-time high maybe in October. I'm very confident about November being that being the case. What will Bitcoin be in the bear market? The 200-week simple moving average, whatever that is. So, do you still think Litecoin can 10x by early next year? Yes, I do. AMP to $1 this run? Yes. Are we going in a bull? Oh, yeah, I answered that. Sorry, brother, you said it a second ago, but audio cut a little. What's your prediction for AMP? $1. ETH for long hold? Yes. I don't see it. Do I see it being replaced with something with better fees? I think that Solana and Cardano will take a little bit more of the share of the market, but I don't think ETH is getting replaced. Trader Trove, you are not invisible. It is impossible for me to keep up with the comments here. You really want your question asked or answered, head over to YouTube, go to World War Bitcoin on YouTube and ask the question there. Have you unleashed all your fiat already? I have like $2,000 left to put in. Was last night the possible second spike down? Ooh, I don't know, maybe. How long will you hold your ETH? At least 10 years. Price prediction for VeChain, $1. AMP 20x from here, yes. There's going to be a lot of 10, 20, and 30x's. But good luck getting your hands on them. It's just, it's not going to be easy to know which ones. So ICP will do fine. HBAR price $2. ICP will not reach its opening day launch high. So how much of my portfolio is crypto NFT? 90% crypto, 1/100th of a percent NFT. Do you see ETH ever going to 1,700 again or Bitcoin to 30K? No, I don't. What's up, out of the mud crypto? Vote for Pablo. All your wildest dreams will come true. Pablo is kind of a swear word here, so no. ETH 80K by 2025. Oh, never mind. I thought you were saying Bitcoin. ETH 80K, it's possible, yeah. Expectation on Litecoin $1,500 or so. SEC's Gensler doesn't see cryptos lasting. Most of them won't. Hollow price target 10 to 20x. It's now a good time to buy a lot of ETH. Yesterday was a better time. Now's a good time. Are you expecting another spike down? Not a huge one, no. ETH price target 15,000. How are we feeling about XRP? Secondly, is this a fake bull run? It's not a fake bull run. IMO, it's not a fake bull run. XRP depends a lot on the SEC suit, but I think that they'll be fine, and they'll move up with the rest of the market. It's just if that SEC suit was over, XRP would pump like crazy. What coin do you think has the biggest X potential? Something that I've never heard of, Ben Jones. I'm sorry. 55 shares of Quant. Should I convert it all over to Ethereum? I don't think so. Hold on to your Quant. If you don't own any Ethereum, convert some of it. ETH is going down. It's at 3,035. It got down to 2,700 yesterday. I think Bitcoin is going to outperform ETH in October and November. So I'm getting mid-October to late to buy Litecoin, trying to get fiat together. Not necessarily too late. I think right now is a much better time to get into Litecoin. Do you own XRP? I own about $17,000 worth of XRP. XRP prediction post-lawsuit. I think it's going to peak $8 to $10 this run. That's all I'll say. Chainlink, $100. See bull market possibly stretching to 2023. Lengthening cycles, diminishing returns. I don't think so. I used to think that. Not quite that. It's just we are so much matching 2013 and 2017 these last few months that I think everything's going to peak in 2023 or at the end of the year and early next year. Would I box BitBoy? I would love to box BitBoy. I'd kick his ass. World War Bitcoin out. Be blessed. When's the best buy to buy Litecoin? Yesterday. When you say you're going to hold, do you take any profits or let it ride? It just depends on the cryptocurrency. So, what's up, WAG? What do you think about Robinhood wallets? If they have wallets, it'd be great. QuantStamp. I don't know anything about QuantStamp. So, would you box Pablo or be scared? I wouldn't mind boxing Pablo. If it was kickboxing, I'd probably be a little bit more scared. So thank you, Carly O'Neill. You're doing a great job as a moderator. So you say AMP will outperform Litecoin. I say Litecoin is a better, has more likelihood of doing what I just said that it would do. But if AMP pumps, that yes, it will outperform Litecoin. Hollow price target, I don't have one, but 10 to 20x. Do you think Bitcoin will run before ETH or both at the same time? Before. You're welcome, Smoke Sun. I think once Apple supports blockchain and iPhone, there isn't any going back. Crypto is the future. Yes, sir. Would you consider shaving your beard when Bitcoin reaches 100K? I'm kind of sad. I don't want to do that. Try to take a break from TikTok and come back and watch your lives when the crash happened. Okay. Well, welcome back. I'm happy you're here, Hijabi. Could Matic hit $10? Yeah. What cryptos will get me the most return? Super low altcoins, but good luck timing that peak. 10K left to invest. Where would you put it? Ethereum and Litecoin. 1,000 in ETH or Litecoin. I would say I'm going to go with ETH, but let's see. Can you explain how it doesn't make sense for some coins to go up to 10K like XRP based on market cap? I mean, look at the numbers prices are deceiving. Prices are deceiving. I mean, like Cardano as the number 3 crypto, if Cardano went up to Ethereum's price, its market cap would be bigger, about the size of all the assets in the world. That's a guess. I haven't done the math, but it's just I don't know if I can. Thank you, Jared. Drama, Regid. Hey, is the market going up from here? Rest of the month flat. First week of October will be flat as well. So Do you deal with any DeFi games or like projects such as Farm Hero? No, I don't. Do you plan to exit on price targets through limit orders or try to catch the market? I'm probably just going to try to catch it. So, do you believe we hit the bottom yet? Yes. Yeah. BNB target 1500. I'd hate to fight you. You look like you have some dad strength. Yeah, you know what? I could probably bench 350 pounds right now. Thoughts on FTM? I like HBAR better, but would you box blockchain boy? He said he's 6'2". Yeah, man, he's huge. I did not realize he was that tall. But you know what? I think I could like outmaneuver him. So yeah, I'll box him. If he kicks my ass, that's fine. You think we'll have a retest of 39K again? No. Litecoin long-term hold? No. Do not hold Litecoin long-term. Litecoin is a short-term play. Crypto banter lot. I have no idea who they are. Bench 350. Yeah, right. Okay. All right. I see you. I can bench 350. Trust me, I can bench 350. And if you really want to challenge me on that, no, I'll make a video sometime. I'll make a video of myself benching 350. 350 is nothing, man. Thank you, Grease Guy. Thank you so much. How can I cash out of Exodus? I buy from CoinFlip. I don't use Exodus. I don't think we'll retest. Sorry, I'm sorry, man. I know that you gave me a super chat. I don't use Exodus. Hey, what's up, Just James? Sorry, I'm way behind on the chat. Safe place to store your coins, a Trezor. But I don't mind holding my crypto on like Coinbase or something like that. 350 is indeed something, yeah, but I used to be able to bench much more than that. Hollow will get 10x to 20x. So do you have invested in Hollow? Yeah, I have like 67,000 Hollow, not a ton, but thinking about cashing out at the peak of the bull run. I am thinking about cashing out of the peak of the bull run. Yeah, I think everyone is thinking about that. I will just follow me on here. I will give lots of opinions on that. I made a video last week about thoughts on that, so check that out. So 8 Enki is laxing. Hexa scam, it's scammy. And what stable coin will you put your gains for money? Whichever gets me the best returns. So Helium miners, waste of time? No, I don't think so. What's a legit coin that has the most potential? A legit coin, Ethereum. Cardano 3 years out. That's like the bottom of the bear market. So knock out BitBoy for us. Oh man, I'm so far behind. Good time price to buy VXV. Buy it. I don't have an answer to that question, but let's see. When will I be rich and quit work? Yeah, a good question. VeChain going to a dollar. I agree. Dogecoin's outperforming the market right now. It's been crappy lately. CBDC. I don't want to even mess with CBDCs. I don't have much faith in them. Do you have a prediction on Solana? No, I haven't changed. I haven't updated my prediction, Joey Aflame. What do you say to people who say index funds are better return over 10 to 15 years of holding? They're not. That's all I'll say, Fry. Sorry, man. Audience don't know enough. Oh my goodness, I'm so far behind. What are the chances of dipping again? 50-50. So Bacon probably sold everything yesterday. When everything goes parabolic, do I convert in stable coins and hold or cash out everything other than Bitcoin, ETH, and Chainlink? I would convert to stable coins and get those dollars. Does the taper worry me? No, because yeah, sure, there might be a taper. There will be a taper at some point, but then they'll inject the heroin again and we'll be good. Sell the video as an NFT. Okay. 350 on benches. Cake work. Thank you, Andrew. I bench 80. Okay. I swear I have the most fun on your lives and blockchain boys. I'm fun ASF. Okay. Again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. I can't keep up with the TikTok chat. Should do some crypto boxing matches for charity? Man, I would love to do that, Yeah. Name the time and place. It's a good price to sell Litecoin when it spikes. When it spikes, that's when you sell. Sell some. Would making your own FTs be profitable? Yeah, if you want to do that work. How does tax work on crypto gains? It's just like stocks. So do your own research on that. Sorry, I'm not a tax professional. What won't you sell? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. That's not entirely true. I won't sell any of my Bitcoin. I'll sell a very small amount of my Ethereum. I'll sell half of my Binance, half of my Chainlink. HBAR, I won't sell any because I don't own a ton. How much was your very first crypto investment? Probably like $50. And believe it or not, it was Dogecoin in 2013. So Coins Kid saying we're hitting 36K. I have not watched a second of Coin Kid's videos. He would be in agreement with CVO Crypto, who I trust a lot. I don't think so. Major buy wall at 39K. So good stable coins. Yeah, not USDT. USD coin is probably the best. BUSD, GUSD. Litecoin next month prediction 300 or so. I don't have a new end of year prediction on Solana. XDC will outperform XRP and XLM. I don't have a specific prediction for it. Bax, nothing. Sorry. Algo, $7. Would you accumulate VET or HBAR at current prices? Yeah, definitely. But I'm all in, so that you do you. Hello, Nick Lopez. Good buy right now. Lots of stuff for Geed. DAG price prediction. I'm sorry, I don't know anything about DAG. So I know I should. All right, Fry says, my fiance prof told me that about index funds when I asked him about crypto. Okay, yeah. I mean, is he a boomer? He's probably a boomer, so that's not too surprising. HBAR prediction $2. Not by the end of the year, though. Early 2022. Is there really no place for Doge in the second leg of the bull run? I think there's a place. I don't think we're going to see Doge do what it did in the first leg. Am I selling any Litecoin? I'm selling every last penny of my Litecoin. Listen, just because I talk about Litecoin, just because I bought a lot of Litecoin does not mean that I like Litecoin. It's just the charts, man. I'm looking at the charts. And the charts say to buy Litecoin. What did you do before getting into crypto? I was a mortgage agent right before getting into crypto. So all this stuff about the Fed and tapering, it's like I learned all of that stuff for mortgage purposes because my livelihood depended on it. Bought Doge at 33 cents. You'll sell at a profit if you keep holding. What's up, Critical Care now? Quant, very bullish on Quant. Don't have a price prediction. How can I learn to interpret data, read the market like you do? Oh man, I'm sorry. YouTube and Twitter and to an extent TikTok. What are you going to do? Read books? I mean, you could read like technical analysis books, but I prefer on-chain analytics. So like glassnode.com. Can you elaborate on your month-end being flat forecast? ALOC, I'm not going to do that right now, but on my TikTok, I have a pinned video, Bitcoin September update. You should check that out. Zilliqa, I got nothing for you. Sorry. Litecoin prediction end of the year or link price end of the year, early 2022. $100. Is Litecoin still good? I believe so. I mean, for short-term price action, yeah. When will Litecoin max out to sell? Early 2022. Do you know anything about EGLD, aggressive tokenomics? Yeah, he's a boomer. Okay. That's all I know. They want you to make money. Did you see that Robinhood is allowing users to transfer crypto finally? Would you shave your beard if Bitcoin hits 150K? Fine. Yes, I will. So remember that. Seems like VET just won't go up. Hype is kind of gone. It'll go up. So, I mean, it has outperformed Bitcoin in 2021. So I hate selling in my crypto. Just keep buying the dips. I'm stuck. You got to sell at some point. Don't shave the beard. I shaved the beard already once, and it was fine. I was very pretty. Why should everyone 0.28 Bitcoin? Good price to sell Litecoin. Goes crazy. Sell. You will be the 1% of Bitcoin holders. So did we pass the September dip? I think so. Thoughts on SHIB? I think SHIB might be dead. We'll see. 50-50. Thoughts on Chainlink? It's a long-term hold for me. Very bullish long-term. When do the charts say to sell Litecoin? Very quickly, like within a few days, if you see it spike up massively. So ETN, don't know enough, sorry. Bullish news coming out for Nami. Have you done any research? I have done research on Nami. That's going to be a good bear market purchase for me. I'm not going to buy any now, but I'll put a lot of money into Nami in the bear market. So great reason to shave, yeah. Top 6 I'm accumulating for my last run. XRP, Quant, DAG, VXV, Algo, and HBAR. Okay. I mean, no Ethereum. No, I mean, I'm not, I'm not going to cry about people not owning Bitcoin, but I'm surprised about no Ethereum, though. ETN in China, don't know about Electronium, sorry. One or AMP thoughts, please. Bullish on AMP. I'm bullish on both just because they're big enough cryptos that they will do well in the fourth quarter. I don't think Bitcoin is going to under 40K this month anymore. Litecoin or Quant end of year. Litecoin, or I'm sure you're asking $1,500, but not end of the year, early 2022. Haha, Jacob, yeah. The beard grew back. AMP to $1. Will DOT hit $50? I think that's very, very likely. Wooly, I'm reading each comment on YouTube. I can't keep up with the TikTok chat. I'm on YouTube though. How much money have you made off of crypto? $200,000 or so. Give an example, please. You say I have $1,000. How would you trade into crypto? Example, generalization. Thanks for input. I mean, if I had $1,000, I would just put it in, probably just to Ethereum and hold on to it. So thoughts on how much Solana will pull back during the bear market? Maybe like 60%. Max Bitcoin price this bull run, $200,000. Litecoin to the moon. Yeah, I saw a question every time I talk about Litecoin and why I've bought it. I see that question. It's one of my pinned videos. You're going to have to watch that video. And that's like 1 out of 8 reasons why I'm bullish on Litecoin right now. Nothing on DAG, sorry. I just don't know enough. Thoughts on Neo stock? Seems to be the big one for China for electric vehicles. I think it'll be fine over time. So awesome. Thank you. You're welcome. HBAR end of the year, early 2022, $2. Will you hold all your profits as stable coins over the next 2 years? I will try to keep as little money in the bank, Ross, as possible. So yeah, hopefully all in stable coins. So yeah, average length of a bear market. It seems like it gets a little bit shorter each time. But last time, Bitcoin peaked in 2017, didn't cross that bear market, that peak again until December of 2020. It was 3 years. But Bitcoin bottomed out in December of 2018. So that was a 1 year bear market, whatever you want to call it. All right. Bought 3K Litecoin and dip, probably hodl. I wouldn't hodl. I mean, I would sell all of it. What am I not bullish on? EOS, SafeMoon, Shiba Inu, to an extent Doge, but Doge will go up with the rest of the market. I would be a little bit nervous about like microcaps because like nothing came of it in earlier this year. They just didn't pump at all. Let's see. Any shift coins to run up? I don't know. I don't think so. I think I know what I think you if you drop that F, that's what you meant to say. If Bitcoin 4x and DOT 7x, can we expect DOT projects 15 to 20x? That maybe Tiago. Can you explain how to read Glassdoor? You mean Glassnode? Glassnode. There's like several hundred charts. It depends on the chart. So I don't think they're that difficult to explain though. What will happen to ETH when ETH 2.0 is released? Like, will it just be renamed? No, it's the same thing. Just hold on to your ETH. It'll be fine. So thoughts on iRen? Thoughts on Ren? Don't know enough. Do prices just sit stagnant, or do they drop and go stagnant? They bleed and then they go stagnant. It depends on. Thank you, Karate Futsi. It depends on the crypto. So something like Dogecoin will just like go flat, go completely flat. Like, all right, let's say Dogecoin. Just entertain me for a second. Let's say Dogecoin. What's up, random kid? Dogecoin gets to $1. Let's just say Dogecoin gets to $1. I could see it going down to 4 cents in the bear market and staying around that level for about 2 years, maybe even 3 years before pumping again. So do you like AVAX and Luna? I like them. Yeah, they're not like top 10 for me. Luna, probably I need to do more research on Luna. But the market has changed. Microcaps will no longer pump. It may be. Alt season is now low cap gems with potential. Yeah. I prefer holding top 50s. How much will ADA go down to in the bear market? If it goes up to $8, I could see it going down to like $3.50 or something like that. Thank you, Just James. I appreciate you. All out by January. It just depends, you know. If things don't pump, maybe we'll peak in May. You know, maybe we'll peak in January of 2023. It just depends, you know. Which one? 3K to go all in. Solana, Lycan, or Dot? I would say Dot. When do you go live daily? I'm not consistent, but I do go live daily. Crypto going to drop again? I don't think so. I don't think it's going to be a huge drop. Just, you know, little drops. But there will be several drops along the way if we go to $200,000. What would you invest in now, short term? Litecoin and Ethereum. Litecoin, short term. Ethereum would be long term. Brady Array, I made you lose all your life savings. I hate to say this, and so for those of you listening on TikTok, follow me on TikTok because of my response to Brady Array. I have not missed a single thing since July. So I'm assuming that you're kidding or you're lying. Like, I have been on point. So no, I mean, if I made you lose your life savings, then you did something stupid based off of my advice. And whatever you did, it must have been the opposite of what I said. So anyway, how much and what crypto did you first invest in? Like $50 in Dogecoin in 2013. Am I still bullish on AMP to $1? Yes. Bought Bitcoin at 60 and sold at 30. You sold at the time that I said, Brady, you sold at the time that I said it was the bottom. I said 30K was the bottom. So you sold. So did you listen to me? You didn't listen to me. So, and I think he's just trolling anyway. Thank you. Yeah, all right, let's see. Matic to $8 or so. Dot or IOTA. I would go Dot. Evan, I've been nails. Thank you. Just got here. Anything interesting happening? Seeing all greens here. Azhan, nothing really. No. Nick Lopez, thank you. Thank you so much, Nick. Again, all right. Curious why I'm so big on Litecoin. I have 70 from years ago, but what is motivating you to endorse it? Again, watch the pinned video on my TikTok. So. You agree with CBO saying market might crash again? I've agreed with CBO for a while now. I don't think we're going to as low as he thinks we're going. I think 39K was the bottom. Phantom, I like HBAR more, but Phantom will be fine. They have better marketing. Brian Ross thinks Cardano won't survive the next bear market. Thought, really appreciate your input. John, there is a point that Brian Ross is making that I agree with the sentiment. Cardano should not be worth as many billions of dollars as it's worth. It's insane. It is insane. But Cardano is going to exist after the next bear market. So Tiago got all in yesterday. Okay. Is this the time to go all in? Go all in by the end of the month, not financial advice. Go all in by the end of the month. You agree with CBO saying market might crash again? Might, yeah. Might. Will it? I don't think so. I'm going to be done on YouTube real quick. I think I'm having some connection issues, but I'm going to stay live on TikTok for a little bit longer. So sorry about that for YouTube. Head on over to TikTok.